I am trying to exchange a Craftsman lifetime socket. Welcome to the channel, Scott's Garage HTX. Don't forget the HTX. Well, finally it happened. I broke one of the sockets to my Craftsman mechanic socket set. And when I gave a review of this socket set, I had made mention that I don't know how the exchange policy works now that there are no Craftsman outlet tool centers around. I don't think there are anywhere. There's none in Houston, Texas. I went out to the Craftsman website and I verified a couple things. First thing I verified is, yes, this is covered underneath its lifetime warranty. Second thing is, you do not need proof of purchase to make the exchange. And the third thing is, they give a couple ways, and one of the ways to do the exchange is to go to the original retailer or a retailer and make the exchange. There's also a phone number to call too. But I'm going to try to go back to the original retailer where I got this from and make this exchange. I got my little testy on. It is not very flattering at all, but we'll see how this goes. Come with me. Hello, how are you doing? Doing pretty good. Hey, I'm filming for my YouTube channel and I'm trying to... Yeah, absolutely. I am trying to exchange a Craftsman lifetime socket.
Okay, so if you have it, you just go get it from that area, just bring it back up here.
Okay, thank you. So I can go try to do that real quick? Thank you, ma'am. I do not think they're going to have the individual one, which, that's understandable. I mean, why would they? Where's a rack? There should be a rack of individual sockets. Maybe, maybe not.
Need help?
Do you have individual sockets for the Craftsman tools?
You just need this one?
Yes, sir. That one broke.
You want the socket with it? I have it like individual bits with no socket.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
like a quarter-inch chain. It won't be but like $1 more for the whole thing. I'll have to look. I don't know exactly where it is.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
That's Craftsman?
Yes, sir. Yeah, you need to see it?
Yeah. You're good.
Okay, cool. The lady told me to bring it back up to the front desk. Both of them.
Thank you.
Okay, no, thank you. This is awesome. I really appreciate your time, sir.
Glad you do it.
Yeah, thank you.
This lady.
Yes, ma'am.
You have your driver's license?
Yes, I do.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sign this one for me.
Yes, ma'am.
And do you want a small bag for it? Or
No, I walk out. Are you okay with being on my YouTube channel? If not, I can gray it out if you like.
I'm okay.
Okay, thank you. Hey, you have a great Sunday, okay?
You too.
Well, I stand corrected in my pessimism of how this process was going to work. They had the part I wanted. It was quick, it was simple. I think the whole process took me 4 minutes. Kudos to Lowe's and Craftsman, and quite honestly, it was a joy to work with the people behind the counter. Thanks, simple. Catch you next time. Keep on keeping on.